It is 8:12 now. A workplace survey shows that more than 92% of employees have experienced a mental challenge that has impacted their ability to do their job.
An upstate man who has lived through that predicament is sharing more about how he was able to get help. Fox Carolina's Myra Ruiz is live in Greenville with his story. Myra.
Well, good morning. We are outside the Poinsett Club, and this is where a little later on this morning, the Greenville chapter of the Society for Human Resources Management, or Greenville SHRM as they're known, will hold their meeting. Dennis Gillum, who's the founder of the Half a Sorrow Foundation, will speak to them about how a workplace benefit and a human resources rep helped to save his life. Now, Dennis Gillum says he was on the verge of a mental breakdown after losing two of his brothers to suicide. Those suicides were 11 years apart. He says the human resources representative told him about the Employee Assistance Program, or EAP. It's something many employers tend to offer, but many workers don't necessarily know about it. Well, Gillen's EAP enabled him to go to nearly a dozen counseling sessions, and he credits that for saving him from the same fate as his brothers. Gillen says every year there are about 48,000 completed suicides, most of them men, in this country. He says women attempt suicide more frequently. He's encouraging everyone to keep their eyes, ears, and hearts open.
Work, people will see your best and worst. So workplace suicide prevention is a big thing, and it's something we need to do. And that's why I'm thankful for the folks at Greenville SHRM, the Human Resource Management folks, taking on this topic at one of their meetings. So we're gonna spark the conversation. I'm gonna have a chance to thank HR because it was through my HR representative that I got introduced to counseling, mental health counseling, which I never would have done.
Dennis Gillen says he named his foundation after a Swedish proverb that goes, a shared joy is a double joy, a shared sorrow is half a sorrow. And that's something he wants people to keep in mind if they're reluctant to talk about their problems. That includes when they're talking to HR reps who have private conversations or confidential ones with employees. Now, Gillen now works on suicide prevention full time. Coming up in the next hour, we're going to tell you one of the biggest risk factors he says exists that most people don't realize when it comes to suicide. Myra Ruiz, Fox Carolina News.